welcome to my vlog. Talking about helpful advice. How to buckle yourself in is to take the seatbelt and pull it and put it in the buckle, and if you don't do it, you might die in the car and fly out of the window and might get run over by the other car.
Does that happen every time you drive, or is that a special circumstance?
That's special circumstance.
How on earth could you get hurt so bad in a car?
Because the car is made out of metal.
Well, is it like an accident, maybe?
Yeah. Like maybe crash, that will get you hurt even though you're buckled in.
Can you think of any other good reason to wear a seatbelt?
Yeah, because if you don't wear a seatbelt, you will die if you didn't wear one.
Well, what about sometimes when we're in the parking lot and you're standing up without a seatbelt, what happens?
You fly out the window.
Well, you've also bumped yourself in the nose before by not having a seatbelt, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to tell any news? Because Sandra's here. We got to get going.
This is not news. Even though yesterday was my birthday, I didn't get to celebrate it.
Why? When are we going to celebrate it?
On Sunday!
Yay!
I mean Saturday.
Can you tell your friends goodbye?
Goodbye.